same age. Yeah. Well, I can't imagine taking care of 3 little boys or 3 little girls. I mean, when I think of how much energy she has, can you imagine 3 of her running around? She said her one grandson's birthday, did I tell you? I don't mean to repeat myself, but it's Grandma's birthday, but she's still planning on coming. But it's, well, no, I take that back. It's the birthday is July 17th, I guess. But they're still planning on coming. It's the day after Grandma's birthday. Look at that. One thing else, I think she has a good heart. Allison, she's a strong heart. Allison, she doesn't get tired of anything. No. Steve